Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening File Explorer with Windows plus E so you're in the right context quickly. Once done, select the specific folder or drive to limit results and save time. This reduces noise from unrelated locations. Make sure to click the search box in the top right so Windows knows where you're searching. You'll type the file type filter next. Doing it here ensures the search scans only the chosen scope rather than your whole PC. You now narrow results by typing a file type filter like asterisk, PDF or asterisk, docx into the search box. That tells Windows to match only that extension. Once typed, you can combine keywords, report asterisk, XLSX to find files that match both name and type, which speeds review. Make sure to open search tools and set filters such as kind, date modified, or size to refine accuracy. These options help you exclude temporary files and focus on the exact documents you need. You finish by reviewing results, sorting by date or name so the most relevant files appear first, and using the preview pane to confirm contents quickly. Once identified, right-click a result to open its file location or copy the path for sharing. If the search returns nothing, make sure Windows is set to index the folder or enable Always Search File Names and Contents in search options. This fixes missing results when files aren't indexed and explains why your file type didn't show up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.